Equity. Give me some of that. But what is equity? In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what equity is and how it can actually benefit you. What's up, everybody? My name is Malachi, and I'm known as the Realist Realtor. I give it to you real, backed by facts. Today's video, we're going to go over equity. I got a couple messages, people asking me exactly what equity is, how it's calculated. I'm going to break that down to you in this video. Equity, super simple math equation. It's just the difference between the current value of your home and the mortgage balance. In other words, it's the current market value of your home minus the remaining balance of your mortgage. That right there equals equity. That could be either positive or negative. That all depends on the market. Some people are like, whoa, negative equity? What in the world? What is that? Hey, back in 2007, 2008, during the Great Recession, that was a huge case of negative equity. And that means when you sell your home and it doesn't cover that remaining balance of your mortgage, that right there is negative equity. And that's why you saw a lot of people just walk away from their homes, said, screw this, I'm not gonna pay that difference. I'm just gonna walk away, wipe my hands free and clear, and be done with it. On the other side, positive equity. It's just the opposite. The current price of your home, or what it sells for, exceeds the remaining balance of your mortgage. That right there, that margin is their positive equity that you get to keep. Now, there are two ways to achieve positive equity. One is passive. You have nothing to do. It's just going to happen. And that's home price appreciation. Especially here in Southern California, that is almost a guarantee, barring like the Great Recession or anything else happening. Even the pandemic couldn't stop Southern California housing. We're seeing a tremendous jump in home price appreciation. So that's the first way you achieve positive equity. Now, the second is pretty simple also. You just continue to make your mortgage payment. That's it. One of the great reasons, and I just tell everybody to buy a home because of that. Really, like, you're putting money into almost your own savings account, because after you sell your home or you move forward, you get all that money back. When you pay rent, you're putting that money into somebody else's bank account. Don't get me wrong, there are some positives for renting and differences, which I have received a few inquiries about making a video describing each one and the benefits, pros and cons, which I'll do, so look out for that. That'll be coming soon. But again, as long as you pay your monthly mortgage, that goes right back to you in terms of equity. Whoa, Malachi, you told me that equity is great to have, but what does it do for me? I'm going to tell you right now. Positive equity is fantastic, and it is a great resource for you to have. There's 4 ways to take advantage of your positive equity. 1, HELOC. That's an acronym for Home Equity Line of Credit. This is basically a line of credit that you use as needed. It is way better than a credit card because the interest rates are not as high. The best credit card I've seen so far, with even amazing credit scores above 800, is about 16%. This home equity line of credit will vary per person and per house, but again, it is significantly less than 16%. Second way to take advantage of your positive equity, simple home equity loan. And that's you borrowing a large lump sum. I guess it doesn't have to be large, but borrowing a lump sum of money up front with a very, very low interest rate. Third way, cash out refinance. Basically what that is, you're refinancing your loan, and whatever positive equity you have, that certain amount, your mortgagor would be giving to you in cash. And you could use that however you want. But like I told you in previous videos, be smart with that money if you are planning to do something of that nature. Lastly, the fourth thing you could do with your positive equity, you can sell your home, take that money, and go on the most epic vacation ever. Just joking, don't do that. My suggestion would be to reinvest into more real estate and roll that over. I can go really deep into strategies and how to make that happen, especially investing and rolling that over. So if you do want a game plan, like always, I'm here for you guys. You guys reach out to me and I'll help you game plan. I can help educate you guys on how to make those things happen, how to take advantage of your positive equity, as well as investing in real estate. I hope that helped. I hope you guys have a clear understanding of equity. If you found that this video helpful and useful, please give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you like it and share. It would mean the world to me. I just want to make sure I can educate and help as many people as possible because I've been blessed and owning real estate has done worlds for myself and my family. So I want to pass that along to you. And again, give me a call, text me, reach out to me, and I'm here for you. Thank you again. I will see you next week.